My name is James Moore. In 2021, I contracted with SolarTech to install a NeoVolta 14 battery backup to my existing solar panels. And they came out and put everything together in a very timely manner and very professional. Everything was clean, everything working fine. They could not hook up the Wi-Fi right away, and they called the owner of NeoVolta. The owner came out, and it was the antenna that was defective, and he fixed it right away, and everything's been working fine since, and I cannot say enough about it. I've never experienced an outage in my house, even though power around me has been out several times. And like I say, I like my system, and I recommend SolarTech. They came out and they were very professional, cleaned up, and no complaints. So I would recommend SolarTech. Thank you.